Today I will be saying some words, and you will be writing down the first letter you hear in that word. You should have your name on your paper, and the only thing you need is a pencil. If your teacher put dividers around your paper, make sure you keep that up so no one looks at your paper. Your eyes should only be on your paper. As always, when you hear the bell, pencils are down and hands are on head. Okay, there's the bell, so your pencils are down and your hands are on your head. I see the number 1 right here. The number 1. So I'm going to say a word. This is the number 1 word. Your hands are still on your head. The word is fish. Say the word fish. Next to the number 1, you're going to write the first sound you hear in the word fish. Go ahead and pick up your pencil, and right next to the number 1, right here, write the first sound you hear in the word fish. When you finish, put your pencil down. Hands on head, eyes on teacher. Now we're moving down to the next number, number 2. I'm going to say a word. You're going to write the first sound you hear in that word right next to the number 2. Hands are still on your head. The word is nose. Say the word nose. Now pick up your pencil and write the first sound you hear in the word nose next to the number 2. When you finish, put your pencil down. Hands on head, eyes on teacher. We're going to be moving down to the number 3 word. The number 3 word is the word dog. Say the word dog. Think about the first sound your mouth makes when you say dog. Now pick up your pencil and right next to the number 3, write the letter for the first sound in dog. When you finish, put your pencil down. Hands on head, eyes on teacher. Now for the next one, I'm going all the way back to the top for the number 4. Put your finger on the number 4. I haven't picked up my pencil. I'm just touching the 4. My pencil is still down. Say the word mop. Mop. Think about the first sound you hear when you say the word mop. Now pick up your pencil and write the first sound you hear in mop right next to the number 4. Pencils down, hands on head, eyes on teacher. Now I'm going to find the number 5. I haven't picked up my pencil yet because I haven't heard the word. The number 5 word is going to be the word cup. Say the word cup. Next to the number 5, I'm writing the first sound I hear in the word cup. Pick up your pencil and write the first sound you hear in cup. Pencils down, hands on head, eyes on teacher. Now we'll be doing the last word, the number 6 word. Pencils are still down and hands are on head. Say the word apple. Apple. Think about the first sound you hear in the word apple. Now pick up your pencil and write the letter that you hear in the beginning of the word apple. When you are done, you can put your pencil down and turn your paper over so nobody can see your work.